Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in this tutorial we will learn to add pixel stretch effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image. You can find the link of the image in description. Select the quick selection tool. Select the person in red and white striped shirt. Alt and click to deselect the areas. Refine edge. From here, select new layer and click OK. Do the same for the other person. Select the rectangle marquee tool and select the area like this. Press Ctrl J, Ctrl T and drag it. Click the check mark. Again, select the area. Ctrl J, Ctrl T and drag it again. Now select both of these layers and right click and merge it. Move this layer under the red shirt layer. Do the same for the other person. You can also find the link of tutorial for circular pixel stretch in the upper right corner. Now select the layer 2, Ctrl T, right click and choose warp. Drag this anchor point to make it a bit curve. Click the check mark. Select the layer 1. Again press Ctrl T, right click and choose warp. Drag the anchor points. Select the layer 2, add the layer mask to it, select the brush tool, set the opacity to 100% and remove this area. Make sure the foreground color is black. Do the same for other one. Let's add a bit shadow, lower its opacity and add shadow. Same on the layer 1. We are done with our pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!